Hi, my name's Arianna, and I'm going to talk with you today about diagnosing and treating coronavirus. Well, it came from China. It came from bats in China, in the Wuhan province. Sadly, the first person to die was an eye doctor. He was the first to tell the world about the coronavirus. The Chinese government tried to shut him down, and the poor man died. Let's talk about how the corona gets into the cell. It goes to the nose and the mouth, and it works its way down to the lungs. When it gets to the lungs, it enters the cells, where it copies itself. And then the cell releases the virus to affect other cells. What we need to do is stop the virus from copying itself. So now we're going to talk about how to stop the coronavirus. First of all, we need to be careful about touching our face and staying away from each other so we don't spread it. The first problem people have to get a coronavirus is a fever and maybe dry cough. Sometimes they have trouble smelling. If people don't touch their face and stay away from each other, we could decrease the amount of the coronavirus as shown in this graph. Chloroquine opens up the cell to allow zinc to get in. Chloroquine is zinc Arianna for. It lets zinc into the cell. When zinc gets inside the cell, it blocks the copying of the coronavirus. If the concentration is greater than 100, as you can see, there is no virus. So if you get infected, get chloroquine and get zinc.